I'm PlantAdvisor and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to repot a plant. So you might be thinking that I've posted a video 6 or 5 days earlier that how to make soil for plant. So there I told you to keep it minimum 10 days airtight. But I'm posting a video 6 days later. So the soil that you are seeing here, this is not the soil that I showed you in that video. I've prepared this soil 15 days earlier only. So I've kept it airtight for 15 days so that I can make a video after I post that one. So here, before we get into the video, I want to tell a very important thing that I've seen that many of you are watching but not subscribing. So I request you to please like and subscribe to support me. So yeah, let's get into the video. This soil is made up of garden soil, 30% garden soil, 30% vermi compost, and 30% sand. Any sand, white sand or any sand. So it goes up to 90%. So the rest 10% that will be of balance. So what is balance? Balance is the mixture of 5 important nutrients for the plant. So they are neem khali 2%, neem khali 2%, bone meal 2%, horn meal 2%, superphosphate 2%, and mustard cake 2%. So, and also we need one fungicide powder that's known as SAF. It is little bluish type of thing that I already mentioned it in the previous video. So before watching this video, you need to go and watch the previous video in my channel. Link in the description. So yeah, the plant that I'm holding, it's in a growth bag, and this is known as Adenium. So this is a very beneficial plant. So first, what we will do, cut the grow bag carefully. We can't harm these roots or any roots in the plants. So carefully, just see a little bit carefully. Cut it. Cut it, and now you can tear it easily. One more important thing, that plants are very sensitive. So don't touch or hold it very hardly. Or it may look to you that it's fine from physically fine, but the inside of the plant can have a chance of getting damaged. So after you have torn the thing, now simply just do like this, and the excess things will fall down. You can see the roots. I've not harmed it while cutting. Beautiful. Keep it aside. So this is Adenium, and it doesn't require a lot of water. But drainage system that I mentioned is very important while planting this plant. So the pot of the Adenium plant should have at least a lot of holes in it. So for a proper drainage system, I'm taking some rocks and putting it here so that mud doesn't get stuck in these holes, or it will the drainage system will not work properly. So watch it carefully that how I am placing it by covering all the holes. So this what will happen, the mud stays at the upside portion, and the water can easily pass through the small holes that are present. So here we are almost done. So now what we will do, just let me clean this area 1 second. So now we will take this and cover the top nicely. We will cover it half, then put the plant once again. Now what we will do, we'll plant it and take soil and put it carefully. Don't press the plant or the soil, the roots may get damaged. Remove a little excess soil so that the plant can get a little space. After you've covered the thing, now take some water and less water can damage your plant, but a lot of water will not damage, because there is a drainage system. Check the drainage system if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. It's working. So if you want, you can get a little bit more. So with this, we have came to the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, important thing about plant, a plant can also feel, so please don't harm it. Just, keep yourself in a plant. If you harm it, if you press it, how would it feel if someone presses your hand or your arms? So it also happens to the plant. So now I will keep it in the shade so that no sunlight can come. This is important. So 2 days in shed, and then after that we can take it out in the sunlight and give it full sunlight. And Adenium requires a lot of sunlight as it is a desert plant. It is very beneficial, as I told earlier, because I'm telling you why. Because it takes up less water, less care, and gives beautiful flower. I will show you one flower here. This is a Adenium flower. These are single petal, as you can see. Count the petal. There is only one, and there are double petals too. That I will show you in the next video. So the next video will about the Adenium plants. There is another Adenium. So these Adeniums are well known for their flowers and their codex. What is codex? This thick chubby boy. So the my next video will only be about Adenium plants, how to take care of it, what are the foods for this plant, and this plant you can also give in this soil. And there is one more soil that's known as Repot soil, that I will show you later in the next video. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you. Please like and subscribe, because as I told you at the beginning of the video, most of you are watching but not subscribing. Please subscribe in order to support us. Thank you.